This is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Futures trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. It is currently 7:12 a.m. on March 18th in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, none of this is financial advice. Let's crush it. Let's get the zoom up. We are ready to go. Today is FOMC. So we have interest rate decisions at 2 p.m. EST and then PAL at 2:30. I do not trade the actual FOMC announcement anymore or even during PAL. So let's see if we catch something this morning. If we don't, we move on. If we do, cool. What up? Good morning. No, again, I do not trade FOMC. Pointless, in my opinion. If you feel like blowing an account, sure, you can. But other than that, pointless. I just wasn't live on TikTok yesterday. That's why I say the best place to be is in the Discord, because I live trade there every day. Let's see, live trading premium. Bounce right off my demand zone this morning as well. Perfect. All right. And as always, if you guys could start your day with a like, it would be greatly appreciated as always. Especially because I'm live trading on here for completely free. So all I ask, take 2 seconds, hit that like button, double tap the screen, follow if you're new. Like I said, I live trade on here all the time. Let's see, live trading. What's up, Tiffany? Good morning. Boom. All right, we are ready to rock and roll. I was surprised we sold off that whole move. Had a big old pump up from Asia and then literally just fell apart. The whole thing, plus more. Who we got in here? Justin, John, RMK, Tongs, and Towels. Interesting name. Beholder, Hopium, Chris, what up? Kimberly, good morning. Again, if you guys are new, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. We got 85 of you here in the TikTok. I can guarantee not all of you are following. So again, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button. I live trade every single morning. Everybody in the tube, make sure you guys are subscribed. And everyone on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of a cropped image like you got over here, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades. Head on over to the tube, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. As well as 1,600 videos teach you on how to trade. So if you're not following, you're not over there, I don't know what to tell you. Do not know what to tell you. But keep in mind, we do have FOMC today. Might be slow, might be choppy, especially given that, we fucking made a large move up and then a large move down. We're just bouncing off demand, so I wouldn't be surprised if this is the bottom for now. It was a pretty big demand zone. What's up, Team Bull? Good morning. Good morning. What up? I don't know, Mike. We already we made that big move up yesterday in the post market, and then we made the big move down in the pre market. I feel like if we're gonna bottom, it's right here because this was, a really big area of demand. If we can get a little lower, obviously I'll watch it. But would not be surprised if, somewhere in this area is the bottom for today. And then we have FOMC later. So typically the morning of FOMC is choppy. And now also given that we made two big moves, kind of expect chop. We'll see though. I'm tired. Good morning. My videos are the best. Greatly appreciated. Greatly appreciated. And again, I'm going to keep reminding you guys, if you're new, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody on the tube, hit that subscribe. Again, I live trade every single day for free on here. Pretty much every single day. So make sure to hit that follow button. Make sure to subscribe. Everybody on TikTok, if you want a full screen view instead of a cropped image, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades. 1,600 videos, 127,000 subs, and I'm live over there every single morning as well. And you can see more of my screen. And then if you guys need funded accounts before the market open, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Lucid, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Again, if you need accounts, Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, make sure to use code Brandon in all caps. Do I drive a GTR? Yes, sir. Yes, indeed. Do I say when I get into positions? Yes. You hear me say it. You hear me get my orders filled, all that good stuff. It's multiple time frames. Zoom out to the higher time frame. See if you can find it. ESNQ is mainly what I trade. And then as far as my indicators, 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and VWAP. I just don't have the 21 on right now, but try to keep this. Fuck, I'm tired. Keep the chart cleaner. How am I a signal trader when I'm just saying the trades that I'm taking? It's up to you if you take it. I say when I'm taking, I say I'm long if I'm long or I'm short, and then I say how much I'm risking. It's up to you if you take it. No, market opens in 10 minutes. I mean, I'd definitely be a little hesitant on the shorts until we get up to supply, which is way up here. So definitely be a little hesitant, especially because we just bounced off demand. One of my risks or rewards normally, it depends on the trade, right? Because typically, I'm looking to at least make at least a 1 to 1.5 hour trade. And then I'm trimming, I'm putting my stop loss at break even. And then, from there, it depends. Does the market want to give us 2, 3, 4 hour trades? So it depends on the day, to be honest with you. But I have to add up or I have to put in all my trades LS stats. It'll say it for last month. BrandonTrades, yes, sir. Again, make sure you guys are following if you're new. 130 of you here on the TikTok, 130 of you here on the YouTube. Ah, shit, I said it. 130 of you here on the tube. Make sure to hit that follow. Make sure to hit that subscribe if you're new. Make sure you use code Brandon if you're going to get that Apex account. But I've been trading since 2017. It's not like I started trading in evals and then it took me forever to pass them. I've been trading since 2017 when prop firms weren't even really a thing. Or they were, but like they were super rare. So I've been at this for a while. Let's crush it. Remember FOMC. FOMC today. I got pretty much the rest of my lower arm tatted yesterday. I'll tell you what, this shit hurts. The inside of my bicep and like the top of my forearm wasn't bad, but the inside of my forearm fucking hurt. At my elbow. Elbow definitely hurt. It's on my, I don't even know if I can say that social media, IG. It's on my IG story. So if you're not following me on IG, BrandonTrades over there. Yep, Matt. Pretty much smacked it. I was watching it too. I just hate taking supply and demand in pre-market. I should have taken it, but it was a pretty quick reaction as soon as we got down there. Pop right back up. Should have taken it, but, you know, should have, could have, would have. Yeah, she's sick. Her tattoos are sick. And she charges a really good price. So, if you guys ever need tattoos in Colorado, I got them. I got the spot. Oh, my wrist was terrible. Thankfully, she numbed my wrist. But, yeah, before the numbing, awful. I think we had war news, is what somebody said. But, yeah, it's FOMC. We had a big move up last night, big move down pre-market, plus more. You know, I feel like our ATR definitely got taken out. My tube name is BrandonTrades. So again, if you guys want a full screen view like this, instead of this, make sure to head on over to my tube, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. Mr. Gino. What's up, buddy? A, B, C, G. There you are. Bet. But yeah, that was a pretty big demand zone. So, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we pop up from here, which, I mean, we're currently doing. See if we get more of a move up. I like supply if we get up there. We have a couple other zones that could potentially form. We just have to wait till, I think, 10 o'clock. Let's see. I know it was a 3-hour that was potentially forming. 7, 10. Yeah, so we have to wait till 10. So 30 minutes after open. And then we actually have a new 4-hour supply, which I don't know why the indicator didn't plot it. Oh, I think I have my 4-hour turned off. Yep. There we go. Bet. Okay, so we have new supply zones up here. Watching ES and NQ. That's what I watch every day. Again, one more time. If you guys have not, make sure to hit that follow button. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. Everybody watching on TikTok. If you want, head on over to my tube channel where I'm also live right now, full screen view instead of a cropped image. And then if you guys need props at all, prop accounts, Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, make sure to use discount code Brandon. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Again, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Lucid, and Tradeify. Use code Brandon, all caps. You could watch, potentially pull a fib based off the 4-hour, but I like supply and demand more. Let's crush it today, though. Trade safe, trade smart, A+ setups only. I like our supply zones, Alex. They're a little far away, but up here. Bouncing off that demand pretty heavy in the pre-market. What up? Mazuka, I think is how you say it. Everybody in the tube, make sure you guys hit that follow button. We got 180 of you in here and only 64 likes. That's sad. Very sad. Do you watch my videos, David? If you watch my videos, you should know. It's a secret, unless you watch. You watch my videos. Yeah. You send me pictures of you in your... You send me pictures of you in your pajamas watching my videos. So many indicators. How is an 8 EMA and VWAP? A lot of indicators. Stupid. These are literally demand levels, supply, supply. They're key levels in the market with 2 indicators. But I guess that's a lot of indicators. I don't know. Who am I? I've only been doing this for 8 years. Who am I? Two is too much. Let's see. It didn't appear. What do you mean? There we go. All right, we got 1 minute till market open. Dude talks about everything but trading. Well, considering the market is not open, and I've already set my key levels for the day, we can chill until market open. If you don't like it, though, you can leave. There we go. Now market is open. Now we wait for A+ setups. If we don't get A+ setups, we chill. If we do get an A+ setup, obviously we take it with proper risk management. Yep. Pushing right off that demand zone. Right there. Smacked it perfectly. But like I said, I don't have supply until 25,100. And then ES, let's see. Very far away. What are you watching today, GD? I guess he's already turtle headed. Like to see if we can go deeper in this demand zone. 5-minute time frame is what I'm watching. The key levels are just supply and demand. Supply and demand. Again, make sure you guys hit that follow button and subscribe if you're new. Follow and subscribe. We're on NQ right now. We're on NQ. Again, my bias is a little more to the upside, given that we bounce off demand in pre-market. Now we just have to find an entry, or if we come down deeper into the demand zone, obviously I'm going to watch that. for a potential bounce. I actually forgot that I had coffee down here. Hold on. All right, let's use this thing to block the TikTok camera. I'm gonna go get my coffee real quick. There we go. All right, hold on 1 second, everybody. Let me grab it. Let's go. Might start tweaking today because we got Starbucks coffee. We'll see. Remember the one day I was not okay. Why is it super blurry now? Come on. Bruh, come on. Don't mess up. Focus. Focus. Why are you blurry? You can do it, camera. Come on. You can do it. Come on, bro. Damn, we might just have a blurry TikTok camera now. Come on, why are you not focusing? There we go. Hell yeah. All right, we're back to normal. Remember, Team Bull FOMC today, so trade safe, trade smart, A+ setups only. A+ setups only. What are you guys watching on TikTok and the tube? Also, you guys need to at least hit 100 likes on the tube. At least. Got 210 of you in here and only 82 likes. What is this? What you guys watching? What are you guys watching on Zoom? Team Bull. Anything on watch? Coin, Netflix, oil. You're watching Instagram, smart man, doom scrolling. Let's actually look at Netflix. Not a whole lot that I'm super interested in besides obviously RES and NQ as always, but you just subscribed, you like my stuff, you liquidated because of me. Did you at least like use lotion, or I hope you did. Sergio, are you asking about the indicator, or are you plotting it on your own? I know, Matt. We've just been way too choppy. I've hardly done any swings this year. Where you at, Sergio? Manual or indicator? Oh, 30, 45, hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Maybe a daily or weekly. It's just more rare. We'll see them on the higher time frames. No, he was making a kind of joke in the chat. No, I do not use that ass platform. No. Like I said, I think we're going to go higher. If you guys zoom back to the very beginning of this live stream, I said I think this is the bottom today. So just looking for a move up, but supply. That's my reject, really. It's hard to catch like an uptrend entry when everything's still below the moving averages and VWAP, which isn't my favorite. So, you know, I'd prefer just to get a move up into supply, and then we can look for a reject. And then, you know, if we get it, cool. If not, oh well. That's why I say join the Discord if you want the live. There is a delay on TikTok. There is a delay here on the tube. But if you want the real-time live data, just join the Discord. It'll pay for itself. I can guarantee it. This is Nasdaq futures. And again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're over here on the tube. Everybody watching on TikTok, if you want a full screen view instead of a cropped image like you have on TikTok, make sure to head on over to my tube, BrandonTrades. And then if you guys ever need funded accounts, Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Yeah, you could plot the fibs based off the 4 hour. Hold on. I just hit plot it. I prefer the supply, but let's see if it lines up. Lines up with VWAP, I mean, potentially. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see if it pops up. Yeah, if you want to join the Discord, here's a link. About to flashbang myself when this loads. If it loads. Yep. Flashbang out. I watch both ES and NQ. It just depends which one offers the setup. I have a webinar on my tube channel about Bookmap. It's like an hour, 15 minutes. So watch that. Just go to my videos and it should say something about like order flow. Let me see. Order flow and footprint charts, the missing piece you're trading. It's an hour and 20 hour and 20 minutes. So make sure you watch that. I had a feeling we were really going to bounce off this fucking demand too. But let's watch like this VWAP 50% retracement area if we can get up there at like 25,040. And then after that, I'll just watch supply. If you're looking for longs, yeah, I would wait. We already moved off the level. I typically only trade key levels. That's where the highest probability of success is every single time, and your risk is always very small. I was waiting for this level too, and they wanted to do it in the pre-market, but we're up like 150 points off of it, 140 points. But it is what it is. Good morning from Arizona. Let's go. Morning, Antonio. Again, we're staying super patient today, everybody, just because FOMC. Typically, the days before and the day of FOMC are pretty ass. So, again, if we see anything, obviously we'll take advantage of it. If not, we chill. We wait for tomorrow. I think Friday's gonna suck, just because we have triple witching and then contract rollover, and then I think it's OPEX as well. It's OPEX as well. So we'll see. I do feel like Thursday's our best bet for like a really good trade. Of course, Jocelyn, one of the two. I don't know. One of the three. I'm really big on supply and demand and reversal trading. Now, a lot of traders say, like, don't try to catch reversals. If you know where to look in the market and you know what to look for, it's very easy to do. We do it quite often. Oh, Jacqueline, close enough. Close enough. I'm on M. NQM, ESM. Pretty strong rejection up here. Just binge watch my videos. That's my biggest suggestion. Just binge watch them. Binge watch all the videos. It's gonna take you some time, but it'll be worth it. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Follow, subscribe. Everybody watching on TikTok, if you want a full screen view like that instead of this, because, you know, I'm 27 years old and I still don't know the difference between horizontal and vertical. If you want this, go to the tube. If you like this, then stay on the TikTok. All right? Nobody said I was smart. All I have to do is click buttons and make money. All right? I make people laugh. I make money. That's all I need in life. All right? So if you want the full screen view, make sure to head on over to the tube, BrandonTrades. I put the Discord previously, but here it is. If you want to live trade with me on Zoom every day with no delay, it's right there. Not a whole lot, like 400, a little over 400. I didn't trade yesterday. The only time I traded was on Monday. So. All right, so horizontal, I can remember that. Horizon, this way. Vertical, this way. I got it. I got it. I mean, the only issue I have with the price action today is we made that big ass move up last night, and then we made a big ass move down, and then we hit demand. So I feel like it really took out a lot of our ATR on the day. Obviously, you know, I could be wrong and we couldn't move a lot, but plus given FOMC. But the days before FOMC and the day of FOMC, I really just trade like key levels, supply, demand. That's it. Or maybe a fib. We'll see. See what happens at this VWAP fib level. Everybody, again, it's at 25037. Yeah, it's a 5-minute time frame. Again, that's why I say head on over to my tube if you can, because it's full screen. It's horizontal instead of vertical. Exactly. Going to the tube. BrandonTrades. Have some sellers at 25,000. Yep, size down until after FOMC. You know what we have this Friday, GD? Triple witching and OPEX. I guess OPEX is part of triple witching, but yeah. I think our best day to trade this week is going to be tomorrow. Hey, if you guys are watching on the TikTok, keep double tapping that screen. It helps a lot with the algo. Pushes my page to more people. So just take your finger while we're sitting here and not trading anything. Double tap. Train your fingers today. You want to know what you got to do, David? Call in sick. Tell them you have FOMO, so you can't make it in. Oh, you own the company. Tell them what to do tonight. Be like, all right, I ain't coming in. Tesla's having a nice push, though. I wouldn't mind watching Tesla above 403 if we hold. Come on, market. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, Dub Walker. Or Dub Waller. What news do we have? Let's see. Flashbang myself again. Today is Wednesday. Factory orders, not really super important. There's like a 99.3% chance today that we keep rates the same as well, everybody. So do with that information as you please, but that's what's priced in. Rates stay the same. This is the 5 minute. I watched the 5 minute. Also, if you guys have my indicator, I'm putting a update onto it tonight. Or not tonight, today. Whenever I'm done trading. I guess if we pull back down, let's see if we can dig deeper into that demand zone. Again, here's the Discord if you want to join it. Guaranteed it'll pay for itself. No delay. Zoom every day. But that's the link right there. I have a free Discord, but I don't live trade in there. I only live trade in the paid. Yep. Like I said, go through and watch all my videos on the tube. You'll get a good understanding of how I trade. If you guys want to join the free Discord, I'll drop that link in the tube as well. But like I said, I don't live trade in the free one. I only live trade in the premium, but here's the free one. You want to tap in. My tube is BrandonTrades. Same as my TikTok. Just waiting for price to get to a key level. I guess we'll at least get our 30-minute orb here in 7 minutes, 6 minutes. Could maybe potentially watch that, but yeah. Again, prefer ES or NQ to hit supplier demand, but we'll see. Keep an eye on Tesla as well. Tesla looks pretty good. BrandonTrades on the tube. I'm rocking with the new colorway in here too. It's called Tyrell. Shout out Tyrell. Y'all take anything yet, Team Bull? Or is everybody being good and staying patient? You're up 500 from scalping, patient, waiting. We have factory orders in 5 minutes, and then we'll get our 30-minute orb as well. Yup. Good shit. Bakir, I think that's how you say it. Hey, 20 bucks, 20 bucks. That's what GD says. 20 is a 20.
That's what I say.
Yeah. That's what you did in Miami, bro. Yup. How much is oil per point? Whoever just said they traded it. The daily looks really good on oil. Per MCL. So does that mean CL is 1,000? Married to the grind. Yeah, so if MCL is 100 point, I guess CL has to be CL per point. Price per point has to be, yeah, 1,000. Wait, what did this guy say? 100 per point, yeah. So a regular CL contract is 1,000 per dollar. That's fire. Fire. Starting to look pretty weak. Closing back down below these moving averages. Wouldn't be surprised if we come back down and test demand. Which chat did you post it in? Oh, in Team Bull. Let's see. What the fuck did you do, sir? Try zooming in. Or zooming out, one of the two. Because it's this button that gets rid of it. You just slide it all the way up. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we got down there, but, you know, it's not a valid short entry to me. So I'm going to just chill. Chill and stay patient. Again, if you guys are looking for accounts, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Apex, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. Apex, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify. Use code Brandon. Whole lot of nothing. See if we even get a movement out of this news. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be opposed to trading oil. Definitely didn't know it was $100 a point, but daily time frame looks really good. Ready to break out. All right. So we got our 30-minute orb. I guess we can see if we break above or come back down and break below. My book map just likes me more. I don't know. All right. See what happens. See if we get above the high or get below the low. Order filled. Stop filled. Bro, shit's boring. Taxes. Shit. Straight buns. No? What am I trading in this zone? There ain't shit. For real. Like I said, this is typically, you know, how the morning of FOMC is. For the most part, I'd say 80% of the time it's like this. But there is, you know, like 80 to 90%. I'd say there is like 10 to 20% of the time where it does offer a good setup. which is why I still do hop on. But even if all the days before FOMC and the day of FOMC, I trade very light. Very light. Just because in the past, I know FOMC week is not my best. Go watch the webinar that I just did on the 30-minute orb. It's like 3 videos back on my tube channel. But again, my tube, BrandonTrades, it's like over an hour for that video. All right, see if we make our way down. Yeah, like I said earlier, Matt, the move in Asia and pre-market, it took a lot out of the ATR for the day, especially the morning. Stay impatient. And then they just bought that whole thing up. Anybody got questions while we're chilling? Any questions while we're chilling? Because ICT doesn't even trade his own concepts, and they're not even his own concepts. They're concepts that have been around for, hundreds of years that he just took and gave a fancy name. So that's why. Every 3 months we roll our contract. So we have March, what's the next 3 months? June, September, and December. So going into the third week of the third month, we then switch over to the next following 3 months. That's why. I mean, I'm opposed to both ways in the market, but, or I'm not, sorry. I'm not opposed to trading both ways, but it depends. Let's see, pull up the tube. I'm just waiting for price. First off, we're in our 30-minute range, so we need to break that for me to even consider anything. But second off, I'd prefer a key level, which we're not trading at. We hit the key level in the pre-market right here. And then no trades today so far. But I'll stick around till like 9. We have another hour. The day is still young. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. We got 125 of you here in the TikTok. Can guarantee not all of you are following. Everybody on the tube, make sure to subscribe. And then everybody watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view, horizontal, I got it down instead of vertical. Make sure to head on over to my tube channel, Brandon Trades. I'm also live over there, 1,600 videos, teach you on how to trade for completely free. And yeah, follow and subscribe. All right, GD, what we taking? Are we going up or down, buddy? I like it. Very good thought process. I can say with 100% certainty we are going to go to the right on the chart. Yeah, you guys have just had your risk to reward all screwed up in the past. Look, this is how it needs to look from now on. There's your risk. Here's your reward. Boom. We'll say Tesla doesn't look too bad for upside. But very choppy. Give the market till 9 o'clock. Another 50 minutes. I'll watch this Tesla. Oh, GD, your logic worked. I like it. You're a smart man. Watching this Tesla, everybody. Maybe not. See if Tesla can reclaim 40120. Oh, let's see. ES and NQ making its way down. All right, yeah, that Tesla's falling apart, so nothing on Tesla. Nothing on Tesla. All right, well, I guess let's see if we go hit demand on NQ. I consider it. Again, make sure you guys follow or subscribe if you're new. I guarantee not all of you are following and not all of you are subscribed. So again, everybody on TikTok, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody on the tube, make sure to hit that subscribe button. See if we can catch something. See what happens if we fall back down below this 30-minute orb. At like 04. Or if we pop up into this ADMA, maybe reject. If I take this, it'll be really light, by the way. Possible shorts if we fail this 30-minute orb low. Yeah, target that pre-market low, maybe a little deeper into demand. ES is rejecting off that 30-minute orb low as well. I'm gonna try this light size on MNQ shorts. Probably just give it like above 15 and I'll get out. So I'll risk like 20 points, really light size, but I'm gonna try to take this back down into pre-market lows. See if we take out this low right here. Again, very, very light. But if I see us like catching a short entry, it's here today. We're up like 8 points, but obviously I want 20 points bare minimum. Okay, we're starting to reclaim this. Come back down, see if we can hold below. I want to see us take out this 90. Or sorry, 80. That's where I want to see us take out. Okay, we're up like 10 points. See if we can get more. Come on, give us more. Of course, the ES orb would have been way better. Come on, buddy, break it down. If you guys don't feel comfortable, we are slightly in profits. As always, I like to give you guys that option, but like I said, I'm looking for this one-to-one risk to reward, and then we can slide our stop to break even, hopefully catch it down to low a day. All right, we got to close below the zone. Let's see if we can take out this low now. Come on, you motherfucker. Okay. There we go. There we go. All right, I got my first trim right here, everybody. Good shit. Good shit. Let's keep our stop break even. See if we can take out 70. Get towards this this pre-market low. I'll trim again if we get down to that pre-market low. There we go. I got my next trim right there. Again, let's keep our stop. Let's actually put it slightly in profits, like 10 points in profit. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, we're really trading into demand down here, so let's be a little cautious. If we start to bounce, then I'm going to close it. But right now I have my stop in profits. Let's see if we can catch more. It's a 50-point trade on this, everybody. 50 points. I'm watching to see if we end up bouncing. If we end up bouncing, I'm going to close this. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. All right. I'm going to get ready to close it, everybody. This. Damn. 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 All right. I'm going to close it right here, everybody. 75 points. Beautiful. 75 points. My final exit was at 23. All right. I think that was 75 points. Yeah, 75 points. Good shit. Did you guys make money on that? How much you guys make? Again, we weren't like super heavy, but 75 points can go a long way, especially like lighter size. You, sir, did not go light size if I'm seeing fucking $1,200 per account. That was good. I'm actually kind of surprised that it moved that much. Good shit. All right, you guys know the drill. Hashtag post your gains at me and GD. And then we're going to pick some people to win some Apex accounts. You guys know the drill. It's about to turn into a mega trade here in a second. Good shit. Hashtag post your gains and at me and GD. I'll take it for FOMC. Now let's full port everything. Yup. How much you guys making the TikTok and YouTube? How much you guys make? full port longs. Good shit. Whole reason we took that 30-minute orb. Could go lower, absolutely, but you know it's FOMC, so. Well, Lone Wolf saying I need to stop pulling out and just stay in. Depends on what you're talking about. But in trading, yes. Other things in life, I'd be a little hesitant about that. If I were you. Let's see. Let's see. TikTok, what'd you guys do today? Live trading every day. All you guys gotta do is join. About to put my blanket on. I'm cold. I'm gonna give you guys 5 more minutes to post and hashtag post your gains at me and GD to win an account. Bruh. No, we pretty much traded through the whole demand zone. So, yeah, don't really care about it. Probably not, no. Or actually, we traded down into, I think we just hit the ES demand, actually. No, we already hit that part of it. But ES could get to like 67.14. I would, that would be like a potential area to watch. Click clear market, or what's this say? Hold on. Exit at market and clear. Click that. That was beautiful. 75 points. Let's see. 1 to 2, maybe. Maybe 2. Usually 1, but yeah. I talk about the 5-minute in my day trading book, but like I said, I'm writing my third and final one. I just need to like really lock in. I need to like not trade for a week and then just go write the book. And then I'd be good to go. Because I could write it that quick. Look how textbook that 30-minute orb was, though. What? What's up? You say my name? What do you mean? Oh, on Instagram? Because reposting hurts your views. It is, actually. Why didn't you take it? There has to be a gap for you to take it. Fair enough. $30-minute orb went crazy. Yeah, like I said, if you guys have the indicator, I'm going to put an update sometime today. Boom. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded or you need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Again, Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader. We just caught a banger, 75 points. You missed out. 75 points on the short base off of this. It actually would have been more because I thought about getting long up here, or sorry, not long, short up here. But yeah, waited till we started to fail. Pop back up, came back down. My stop was right above this candle. So at 15, I was risking $20 points. Yeah, about like 20 points on this trade. And then, we got our first trim at 20 points. We got our second trim at about a little over 40. And then our final exit was 75 points from our entry. Yeah, post us on your Instagram story too. What? Oh, you talk too quiet. You know what? I will repost all the stories today. Does that make you happy, GD? All right. If you guys at me, I'll repost every single one. At me and GD. And we'll repost. All right. Let's pick the winners of these giveaways. All right. I'm gonna close my eyes. All right. This is the first person. Doesn't say your whole name. It just says N. So I messaged you. S. Doesn't say your whole name. I have to add you. It won't let me add you, S. If you're a female and your name is S, and you have, it looks like green eyes. If you want your account, you got to add me in like 5 minutes. I'm going to pick one more person. Whoops. Unless S doesn't answer. Then I think this is Vinny. Is that Vinny? Oh no, it says V, but I messaged you. All right. N, Vinny, and S. You guys have 5 minutes to answer. Or I'm picking somebody new. All right, Vinny got it. I think it's Vinny. I don't know. S, I'm going to describe. All right, you look mixed and you got green eyes, it looks like. It won't say your whole name on Discord for some reason. It just says S with a whole bunch of dots. So if that's you. Oh, yeah, it is Vinny. All right, Vinny 54s. And somebody with N and somebody with S. Again, everybody, if you guys weren't in here, then it's like a bunny. It's a weird, like blue background, a bunny with like red glasses. But if you guys weren't in here, we just caught a 75-point short on NQ. $75-point short. But yeah, when we broke below, that was a confirmation candle. We came back up. We got the retest short again, and we took it down. That's part of my indicator, yes. Shoe-ins 2-6, is that what it is? You're Shoe-ins? Oh yeah, you are. All right, bet. Boom. There we go. Now we just need the last person. Who's N? Can somebody say it in the Discord? It's in the hashtag post your gains. So we got Vinny and Shoe-ins. I like how everybody starts messaging me and let me get an account too. Again, all you guys got to do to win an account, join, trade with me in GD, and then post your gains. Bruh. What Ty said in the chat. Are you Tyrell? Is that who you are? My old resell buddy? Or are you somebody different? Maybe not. You're the shoe guy. All right. Well, that's a different Tyrell. Hang around for another 15 minutes, but the bunny is about to lose their spot. So I'm about to pick somebody new here in 2 minutes. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. 120 of you here on TikTok. Still like 180 of you here on the tube. So again, make sure you guys hit the follow button as well as the subscribe button. I live trade every single day here on YouTube. Shit, I said it. Here on the tube and TikTok. So again, all you guys got to do, follow, subscribe, join. Everybody watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of a little cropped image, vertical, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades, for horizontal view, full screen view. And I teach here in 15 minutes, so... class. Boom. Peace, only. There used to be a method on Apex, so they added that max loss limit per day. Maybe you can do it with Lucid. Use code Brandon if you're going to get accounts with Lucid. Smart man. And again, if you guys need accounts, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify, Lucid. Make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. All right, well, the bunny has lost their privilege because they did not message back. So, close my eyes again. PG27. Boom. If you're PG27, there we go. Answer my DM. You have 5 minutes. Let's see. Is PG going to answer? They're typing. Boom. There you go. Bro said he was praying for it. Well, your prayer came true. All right, let's see. I actually think I have 2 take profits that I can give away as well. Let me see. Hold on, I'm double checking if I have credits for it. Yep. All right, cool. All right, so if you're one of those winners, you have a choice at Apex or TPT. We'll give away one more because 2 people chose TPT, 1 person chose Apex, so we'll give away a TPT. All right. Let's do one more TPT. I'm going to close my eyes. We're going to choose from hashtag post your gains. Roy Vale. Mr. Raw Dog, you still in here? Because I think you have to add me. I actually landed on you, too. There you are. Add me on Discord, foo. Yeah, well, let me add you. So you got to add me. Yeah, you can copy trade on Apex. Just do the, at the top, it says like your account. Click on it and then click manage groups. And then put both the accounts in the group. Let's see, Mr. Raw Dog. Send me a friend request. Or can I message you? No. It's all right. You can still post it. I'll still repost. Both. I mean, to be honest, both, yeah. It just depends on the setup. Like ES hit that, you could have taken this trade on either or for the 30-minute orb short. ES came up, hit it to a T at like 67.41, give or take. And then it came down, closed at 38, so you could have risked about like 3 points on that. And then it went from 38 all the way down to 19, which is almost 20 points. Good. We got a 75-point short on NQ. You could have gave it, above here, but that was a little too much. And then when we popped up here and started to fail it, that was my confirmation candle. So that's why. A little bit. Any other questions before I hop off and get ready to teach my class? No, I don't trade FOMC. I used to back in the day, but a little more mature now. Bet. Well, hopefully you guys made some money today. If you guys are in the boot camp, we'll have class here in 7 minutes. Other than that, again, if you guys need accounts, take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, Apex. Make sure to use discount code Brandon. And let's do it again tomorrow. Everybody have an amazing day, and we'll talk then. Peace. Bet. Everybody in TikTok and YouTube. Again, all you guys got to do is follow and join every day and just trade with me. We've been absolutely killing it, which actually we have to update the little leaderboard thing that we got. Wednesday, let's see, 75 points. NQ. All right, so how we've been doing these last 2.5 weeks. The week of March 2nd, Monday, 90 points on NQ. Tuesday, 75 points on NQ. Wednesday, 81 points on NQ. Thursday, 18 points on ES. That Friday, no trades. The week of March 9th, over 200 points on NQ. Tuesday, 30 points on NQ, 12 points on ES. Wednesday, 100 points on NQ. It was like 102, but 100 sounds better. Thursday started with a loss of 6 points on ES. hit the first trim, but it didn't get filled. Came back, stopped me out at break even, then or not at break even, and stopped me out in the red, and then did exactly what I wanted it to do. But then came back with a 52-point win on NQ. Friday, 46 points on NQ. And then this week, 42 points on NQ. Tuesday, no trades. Wednesday, 75 points on NQ. Laxer, go on Tube. You should know what Tube is. I can't say the whole thing on here, but go to Tube, type in BrandonTrades, and watch my videos. 1,600 videos, 127,000 subs. I live trade over there every single morning as well. But yeah, go on over there, and hopefully my videos can help you start your journey. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off. Everybody have an amazing day. Let's do it again tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys then. Peace.